Hello everyone, in this video I will give you a slightly tutorial about how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. Okay, for the first, go to the settings. Okay, then we're gonna go to the personalization, that, and then go to the colors setting in personalization, and then you scroll down, and in the bottom you will find the choose your default app mode. There are two options, light and dark, and now I apply the light. To change into the dark mode, just click in the dark there, and it will change the looks. It's dark mode. This will apply to another application. I mean Windows application. Yeah, this dark mode will help you to keep your eyes, to make your eyes stay healthy. I think that's enough for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you.